like to make is we do realize that this would basically put another tax burden upon the city and county residents, and based on the collections from last year, it's about $180 million or $179 million from the Hart report of what they collected under the 0.5% surcharge for rail. And we know that economic times are tough, and given that we would believe that it might be better for the city and county to try and live within its means than raise taxes at this time. We'd be happy to answer any questions.
Thank you. Members, questions for the administration? Councilmember Burke.
Will that position hold in order to finish the 20-mile rail route to a 34-mile segment to Waikiki? An additional $3.7 billion will need to be acquired through another 15-year GET surcharge. Is it of the mayor's position with that as well, that segment that we shouldn't tax? Because the position is this tax isn't good timing. Is it a good time to continue the tax? It's a 30-year junket of the GET to finish this rail. So the segment of it being, it sunsets in 2022.
Correct.
I'm trying to help educate folks that all those that are against this GET surcharge, because it's regressive and it's a bad tax and it's not a good time. So the question is it also the mayor's administration position that it's also not a good time to extend and promote the completion of rail to its 34-mile segment, of which will be a $3.7 billion burden, taking it of a totality of $9 billion. That's $600 for 30 years for every family on Oahu. So is the mayor also going to stand strong and stop GET increases for finishing the rail? I'd like to get that answer as well.
I know that we have been very careful to try and minimize the effect on Oahu taxpayers, because we realize taxpayers in the city and county not only pay county taxes, they pay state taxes too. So I think the idea was, and I think as much as I've heard, is to basically stay within the current parameters and try and finish up with what we have. At this point, who knows what will happen in the future, but I have not heard any discussion to the contrary.